it's Alicia with WTI. I want to show you guys a really awesome pair of workout gloves. These are from RYMNT. This is the size small and this is hot pink, and these gloves are awesome. These are perfect for your workouts, especially when you are using weights, dumbbells, kettlebells, barbells, for doing things like pull-ups, anything where you need to have a really strong grip, and it gives you a little bit of extra padding, and it just really helps you to hang on to the weight, especially when your hands are really sweaty. One thing that I was really looking for in a pair of workout gloves was a wrist strap. It's a great way to protect your wrist, especially when you are maybe going up a size in your kettlebell and you're still getting the feel of it. This is gonna help if you do inadvertently kind of slam the kettlebell against your wrist. This is gonna help protect you. So I love the way they fit. They're very comfortable. They have plenty of padding. They are really easy to adjust once you get them on. You can use this wrist strap to get the perfect fit. It just wraps around. And then what's kind of nice too is if you want a little bit more protection here, you could even bring that wrist strap down a little bit more. And so you would have a little bit more protection going down the top part of your arm. Another thing I really love about these gloves is these little pull tabs on the fingers. So, you know, when your hands are sweaty and you're wearing a tight fitting pair of gloves, they're always super hard to get off. That makes that really easy to just take those off. So if you're looking for a really nice, comfortable pair of workout gloves that will really enhance your grip and give you a lot of control over your weights in your next workout, then I would definitely recommend these from RYMNT, and that is my point of view.